how to change text to speech language on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on talkback. In here, tap on settings. Then we tap on text to speech. And then from here, tap on language. Then scroll down the list and select a language that you would like to use. And then from there, you can tap on the back key. Now tap on the play button to have a preview.
Đây là ví dụ của tiếng nói.
And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.